Hello, this is Francisco Carreño, health coach at PartnerMD at the office of Atlanta, Georgia, and guess what we're going to talk about today? What is the ketogenic diet? There's a low fat for fuel, eat fat, get thin. I'm not promoting books, I'm just showing something that is pretty obvious. This is a very interesting topic. From the most simple concept of losing weight with the ketogenic diet, to treatment of cancer, to the effect on cognitive decline, a reversal of diabetes, which is the most popular, and what is the ketogenic diet? If I have to give you a message that you will get crystal clear today, and you will walk away with one key concept, is that the ketogenic diet is not a high protein diet. Ketogenic diet is a high fat diet, moderate protein, very low carb. No low carb, very low carb. So we're talking about very few grams of carb. There's not a number of carbs that people say 20, 25, 35, under 40. Under 40, most people will start producing ketones. And what is this ketones? Is something that happens in your body when you fast. The body needs to, map out of how we're gonna get energy. We're not gonna get carbohydrates in the system. So guess what? We're gonna use fat, and with fat, we're gonna create something called ketone bodies that can go throughout the body and also help the cells to produce energy, including the cells. That people, the neurons. That people think that neurons only use glucose. That's false, completely false. Obviously, if fat comes from healthy fats, even better. Nuts, seeds, avocado, olive oil, olives, high quality fish like wild-caught fish, which is fatty fish like salmon, sardines, tuna, mackerel, all those things. There's supplement that can help with the diet or whatever, but the idea is that it's the ketones. Ketones has to be at a level, if you want to go technical, 0.5 to 5 millimoles in blood. But again, the more important ability to implement this diet is to count carbohydrates. High fat, moderate protein, very low carbs. Don't go high protein because you will kick yourself out of the ketosis. And I hope that this is a short video, but the idea is a high fat diet. See you in the next one.